Hello everyone and welcome to our Azure Databricks Zero to Job Ready course. In this series, we will learn Azure Databricks practically, starting from the basics and gradually moving toward real-world data engineering projects. In today's video, we will create our Azure Databricks Workspace and understand the most important parts of the Databricks interface. So let's get started. Before creating the workspace, let's quickly understand what Azure Databricks is. Azure Databricks is a cloud-based data and analytics platform built around Apache Spark. As data engineers, we can use it to ingest, transform, process and analyze large amounts of data using technologies such as PySpark, SQL and Delta Lake. Throughout this course, we'll use Databricks to build complete data pipelines. Let's create our workspace. Open the Azure portal. In the search bar, type Azure Databricks. Select Azure Databricks and click Create. Now select your Azure subscription, resource group, workspace name, region pricing tier. For learning purposes, choose the options appropriate for your Azure account and current Databricks availability. Give your workspace a meaningful name. For example, Databricks Learning Workspace. Then click Review plus Create. Azure will validate the configuration. If everything looks good, click Create. The deployment may take a few minutes. Our deployment is complete. Let's open the newly created Databricks Workspace. Click Go to Resource. Then click Launch Workspace. This opens the Databricks environment in a new browser tab. Now we are inside our Azure Databricks Workspace. Let's quickly understand the interface. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation. First, we have Workspace. This is where we manage our notebooks and other workspace assets. Next is Catalog. This is where we'll work with our data objects such as catalogs, schemas, tables, views and volumes. We'll spend much more time on this when we learn Unity Catalog. Now let's create our first notebook. Go to Workspace and create a new notebook. Let's name it 01 Databricks Notebook. For the language, select Python. Inside the notebook, we'll start with a very simple command. Run print hello Azure Databricks. If you see the output successfully, our notebook is working. In the next lessons, we'll replace this simple example with real PySpark code and start working with actual datasets. So in today's video, we created an Azure Databricks Workspace. Opened the Databricks environment, explored Workspace, Catalog, Compute, SQL and Workflows. And finally created and executed our first notebook. This is our starting point. In the next video, we'll start with PySpark DataFrames. We'll create our first customer dataset, load it into Databricks and perform practical operations such as selecting, filtering and transforming data. If you're following this course, don't skip the practical exercises. Subscribe to Yogesh Tech Code and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.